Can food make your children smarter? Yes, it can, and I'm going to tell you how. You want your children to be more intelligent and use their full potential. Let me start with the villains that make it harder to study and concentrate. These can have a negative detrimental effect on the child's learning and behaviour. These include processed sugars and fats, which are abundant in the foods and drinks we are consuming, such as soft drinks, baked goods and confectionery. They have been shown to have a detrimental effect on the learning and behaviour. Children are just as susceptible as their brains are still growing. A healthy, nutritious diet, on the other hand, promotes optimal brain cell development, nerve cell development, and better cell communication, so memory, learning and concentration is more enhanced. If you also want your children to be smarter, look at giving them wholesome plant-based foods, such as whole grains, which contain B vitamins. Zinc can be found in nuts and seeds, and iodine consumption has been linked with high IQ levels in children. This mineral can be found in sea vegetables such as seaweed, and also antioxidants from fruits and vegetables, which protect the brain. A better diet promotes better sleep. Your child will feel more refreshed and focused when they've slept better. In summary, a wholesome plant-based diet will ensure that your child is functioning optimally as they can, including the core nutrients I've just listed above. This will ensure that your child is happier and smarter. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. The link below will take you to a summary of this video along with some further tips on how to improve your child's intelligence.